So why do people struggle progressing in the gym?
It started strength training. I was finding some issues with squatting and just general progress.
With Simon, we're going to look at how to maximize his range of motion. One of the things that we look at is the hips. Can they turn as much as one side compared to the other? I'm going to place fingers here, toes up, toes in, toes down. This one, as you can check it out, is this.
Within the past few weeks, my progress has increased massively. In terms of capability, it's gone up by maybe just over 100% compared to what I was doing.